Well, hello there. So let me just start here. I'll be walking through this automation that I've built. Hi there, I'm Guilherme and I'll be walking through this automation that I've built. This one was built for writing blog articles and LinkedIn posts all around a given theme. I've worked on this for a while. I've done some versions of it already, and I'm just gonna check the latest one. Here it is. Okay, so the process starts when we do a form submission. This is basically I'll be giving a theme for the blog post. What's the blog post about? Once we have the theme, this is something that I've done on edit fields. I've put a lot of variables in here, so it's easier to share this process with other people so they can do the same for them. Basically, I've isolated all the variables in the process, like who's uh, the the person that's writing, who's the AI writing for, what's his specialty, what are his main skills, what is the company focused, what are the related themes that we're writing about, what's the ICP, what's the product that we're trying to sell, and what's the tone of voice uh, for the AI to write with. So we use that to in many different parts of the process. Basically, after we have the team, we go through Perplexity and looking at we take all that information. We use Sonar Pro to do research. After we do the research, we pass this information through the first AI agent that will broaden our search, looking for latent semantic indexing, meaning it will look for other keywords related to the topic so that we can really build a rich blog post SEO wise. I'm using Gemini 2.5 Flash just to save a few bucks here because it can handle the tasks pretty well. Then we go to the copywriter agent. The copywriter agent, I'm using GPT 4.1. I have a pretty long prompt here, basically telling the agent who's the specialist, what are we writing about, and giving all the information that came from Perplexity, the citations, as well as the ones that came from Gemini with the extra keywords. After that, I passed this through two agents, one pretty simple to create a title slug and meta. This is for the blog post, and one to create the markdown format just to keep it as simple as possible to copy and paste this to the blog post. Then I have here the WordPress. Well, I'm not actually writing on WordPress for the company blog post. We didn't have that integration, so I'm basically just putting the information on a spreadsheet where I have the blog theme, the blog post content, and then I'll just have my control here. Whenever I post it, I'll check it and put the date. And also to follow up based on that article, which is a pretty rich article with 2,500 to 4,000 words, I'll write a blog post for LinkedIn. Here I'm using Anthropic 3.7 Sonnet. It's a more concise post. Here we're looking for something more proper to LinkedIn. I'm also writing that in the same spreadsheet, just on another tab to keep the control really easy. So that's basically the model. And that's it. It's working pretty well. I've done it a few times. We can test it. Let's say I want to write about how to use AI in finance processes. It usually takes around 2.5 minutes to run. Perplexity takes its time, and then the writing agents as well. We can see that it's running. Here we have previous executions. So Perplexity already brought the citations. All the prompts are in Portuguese, all the output is in Portuguese, regardless of how you give the theme. Now we have all the other keywords related to enrich our blog post. Now it's writing, and well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.